The following question reads, on the first day of a 2-day study for a cycling magazine, 4 riders, R, S, T, and Y, will each test one of 4 bicycles, F, G, H, and J. Each rider will then test a different one of the bicycles on the second day. Each rider tests only 1 bicycle per day, and all 4 bicycles are tested each day. The assignment of riders to bicycles is subject to the following conditions. Okay, so we have our 4 riders, R, S, T, and Y, and we have our bicycles, F, G, H, and J. We have a 2-day study where we're going to assign bicycles to riders. Now, let's go to the rules. Rule number 1, R cannot test F. Okay, so we know that R is not going to test F. All right, so we know that R is not going to test F. So we have no F here. Rule number 2, Y cannot test J. So Y not with J. Rule number 3, T must be one of the testers for H. So we know T is with H. We just don't know which day. And our 4th rule, the bicycle that Y tests on the first day must be tested by S on the second day. So Y's first bicycle day is the same as S's second bicycle day. So that means whatever is here is going to be the same as whatever is here. All right, so let's think about what could be Y's first bike. Well, we know that it's not J. Now, can it be H? We know that T will be one of the testers for H, but it doesn't necessarily have to be the first one. If Y had H for its first bike, then to abide by rule number 3, H would have to be here on the second day for T. And so that means that we're not going to be following rule number 4 because whatever Y tests on day 1, S is going to test on day 2. So that means that Y on day 1 cannot be J and it cannot be H. So that means Y on day 1 is either going to be F or G. So we can write that in, F or G, F or G. Now, it's really all the deductions we can make. So that's our rules, our deductions, and our setup. So let's go ahead and hit the questions.